There, little fella. You're all right. Just a quick look.
All right, girls, easy now. Keep moving up the ramp. That's it, straight ahead.
In modern pork processing plants, each stage is operated with almost absolute precision. From the initial reception area, pigs are brought into the line through wide, clean, control dials, under the supervision of staff fully equipped with protective gear and strictly following biosecurity procedures. It is not just the operation, but also a standardized system, where light, sound, and machine rhythm are all designed to ensure the highest continuity and safety. Once deeper inside, the processing begins with stun and bleeding areas, where every operation is supported by an automated system to minimize impact on the animals. Carcass is put on the suspension system and begins its journey along the conveyor belt. Workers in disinfected uniforms continue to check the surface condition, monitoring every detail to
See that discoloration there? Yes, pull it from the line for further review.
ensure that no error, even the smallest, occurs. In the pre-processing area, the carcasses are washed through high-pressure water domes and then put into the scalding dehairing system. All operations are closed, automatic, ensuring absolute hygiene. The cold white light reflects on the metal surface, creating a sharpened standard technical space. Each carcass continues to move to the veterinary inspection area. Specially trained staff perform the steps of observation, touching, information comparison and classification. This is an important step to ensure that only qualified carcasses are brought to the next processing steps. From here, the carcass is cut in half by a high-capacity automatic divider. The cuts are smooth, precise and uniform, a testament to the power of technology in the food industry.
We're showing a slight variance on the barcode placement.
It's within tolerance. Maintain speed.
They then enter the evisceration area, where the organs are separated and processed according to separate standards. All stages are controlled under strong light and an absolutely hygienic environment. After a final wash, the carcass enters the shock chiller room. Cold air and blue LED lights create a modern setting where the temperature is kept stable to ensure the quality of the meat remains constant. Continuing to the butchering area, workers use specialized knives, anti-cut gloves and transparent protective clothing to divide each piece of meat. Under bright white light, loin, belly, rump are carefully processed to maintain the structure and quality. In the deboning and trimming area, bones are separated. Excess fat is cut off to create beautiful and uniform pieces of meat. The game of technique and discipline is shown through each knife. Each precise operation, some meat parts are sent to the mixing and marinating area. Giant stainless steel mixers rotate evenly. Each layer of meat is mixed with spices to prepare products such as sausages or marinated meat. In the sausage making area, the stuffing line operates continuously, creating hundreds of meters of seamless sausages, which are hung on racks and moved to the next step. Other meats are brought to the slicing area, where high-speed cutting machines create even, thin and beautiful slices of meat. Each slice of pork belly and tenderloin is inspected by the naked eye and sensors to ensure uniformity. In the packaging area, meat trays are brought to the thermoforming line for vacuuming, sealing and automatic labeling. Each complete product, with clear origin, information and expiry. Date is put into cartons, sealed and transferred to palletizing. In the palletizing area, Automatic robots and workers coordinate to arrange hundreds of cartons neatly on pallets. From here, all are transferred to cold storage, where temperature and humidity are continuously controlled to maintain the freshness of the product. Before leaving the factory, the entire shipment is inspected one last time, scanned, system checked, and loaded onto a refrigerated container truck. These containers will then be transported to supermarkets, restaurants, and retail stores, where consumers will receive fresh, clean, safe, and internationally standardized pork products. Behind each piece of meat is a modern, scientific, and professional operating system. Every worker, every piece of equipment, every light in the factory contributes to ensuring quality, so that the journey from farm to table is transparent, accurate, and responsible. In addition to the continuously operating production line, hundreds of quality control steps take place in the factory every day. From the microbiology lab to the sensory analysis area, the team of engineers and food safety experts always monitor even the smallest fluctuations. Meat samples are randomly taken from each batch and tested according to strict standards: pH, color, muscle structure, elasticity. All are recorded by a specialized software system to ensure absolute transparency. At the same time, IoT sensors are mounted on each production area to monitor temperature, humidity and operating status of machine. In real time. The smallest fluctuations are also detected by AI before they become errors, helping the factory to always maintain stability and high performance. This is the foundation of modern meat processing, where technology not only supports people but also raises industry standards. In the smart cold storage, the system automatically tracks each pallet of goods using QR codes and feed each box of pork, from the moment it leaves the packaging line until it is loaded onto the transport vehicle, has its own digital passport. Anyone, from retailers to inspection agencies, can trace its entire journey with just one scan. This transparency brings confidence to consumers and is a big step forward for the food industry. Outside the operating area, the environmental and safety department is always on duty. The factory applies a closed wastewater treatment system, filtering all impurities. Before returning them to the environment. Organic waste is collected, treated and reused as fertilizer or biofuel, helping to minimize the impact on nature, all with the goal of building a sustainable and environmentally friendly production process. When the refrigerated container truck departs, the journey of the product really begins. From the factory, pork is transported to distribution centers, supermarkets and chain stores nationwide. Many special shipments are also exported to demanding markets such as Japan, Korea, Singapore and Europe, where food safety standards are considered the most stringent in the world. In modern supermarkets, meat trays are displayed in refrigerators, preserving their fresh color and perfect elasticity. Consumers not only buy a product,